Well, hello guys, this is Zach Ciota, the guy you just watched on the show just up until now. And right now, while everybody's going to take a bathroom break, smoke a cigarette, or something else, we're going to have a quick little segment talking about 3 products that I found at Harbor Freight that I think are pretty good. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Who shops at Harbor Freight? Supertex would never do that. But you know what? Supertex also slept in their mother's beds when they were 14, and they don't have any friends. So go make a friend and go to Harbor Freight with them because there is some good stuff there that you can actually use. And we're going to take a look at that good stuff right now. Here's the first item I think is actually pretty good, guys. These are Pittsburgh 5-piece double-end flare nut wrenches, and they have a lifetime warranty. So if you throw one into the lawnmower or do whatever with it or break it in half because you're Thor or something, you can take it back to Harbor Freight and get another one. Now, truth be told, there's a lot of stuff at Harbor Freight that you see people taking back all the time because it sucks. This is not one of those things. I had a set of these for a long time, and we'll give this set away eventually. But I really enjoyed having these around when I needed to install mini splits and tighten up the flares. It worked really, really well. So I would definitely suggest getting a set of these at Harbor Freight because a lot of stores don't even have flare nut wrenches at all. But Harbor Freight does. Food for thought, guys. Whenever you do service work, and that's what I did most of the time back in the day, this stuff right here, they have a 1/4-inch version of this and 3/8 protective wire wrap. You'll see this a lot in automotive, but I use this to bind wires together to protect them. And what I would do, because it's slit on one side, we'll take it out. What you can do is you can feed your wires through this because there's a slit. Put it together, run it as far as you need to. If you need to pass through like a baffle in a cabinet or something like that, you don't want to get the wires damaged, you can put it through there, you can tape it up. It's really a great way to protect your wiring. And you can get like a 10-foot roll of this or whatever this is. 14 feet. That's kind of odd, but whatever. So you can get 14 feet of this. I think it comes a little bit shorter in a 3/8, and it's a great way to protect your wires and make a regular job just a little bit better and take yourself to the next level. You might even be a super tech with this stuff. Ha! The irony. Liquid tape, bro. This stuff is fantastic. You see they're spraying terminal blocks on here, but I painted dryers with this stuff. Just like I would use Plastidip, I'd use this stuff too. Or if I had electrical connections outside, even low voltage, I'd spray them down. I'd spray the wire down just to prevent dry rotting as best I could, protect them a little bit. Sometimes there'd be a wire that was just, I don't know, it looked like it was going to go bare outside. I'd spray this down. It really is a big help, and it's a great product, guys. And a lot of these products are $10 or less. I think the wire protector is less than that. So pretty cheap and good things to add to your arsenal on the truck. So there you go, guys. You can find good stuff at Harbor Freight. You just have to get over that pride that you feel as a super tech, because super tech says Harbor Freight. You look down on it. It's like it's a bunch of Chinese junk. Well, look at the shit all around you. It's all Chinese junk, so you might as well just embrace the technology. That's a poor choice of words. That has a negative stigma. But go to Harbor Freight and check it out. 10% of their shit's good. And I just showed you 3 things. We'll show you some more stuff on upcoming videos. But for right now, we're going to get back to the show.